Using SMPTE. Cakewalk Pro Audio supports all popular formats of SMPTE timecode. To use SMPTE with Cakewalk, you must change your clock to MTC or MIDI timecode. To do this, simply press the MTC button found on the Sync toolbar. Or select Project from the Options menu. Now select the Clock tab. You will notice that the source is set to SMPTE/MTC. Near the bottom of the dialog box, you can select the frame rate you wish to use. Cakewalk supports 24-frame, 25-frame, 30-drop frame, and 30 non-drop frame timecode formats. If you're using 2997 non-drop frame timecode, select the 30-frame non-drop SMPTE format. You should use the offset option in Cakewalk when the timecode source starts at a different time than 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, and 0 frames. To make SMPTE use easier, we recommend starting your projects at 1 hour, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, and 0 frames. It may also help to see all times as SMPTE when using timecode in Cakewalk. To do this, go to the Options menu and select Global from the drop-down list. Then select the General tab and make sure that the box next to Display all times as SMPTE is checked. For more information on using timecode, please refer to the Cakewalk User's Guide.